3 new series of Aaeon embedded computers. Aaeon took full advantage of the possibilities offered by Intel Alder Lake processors and launched 3 new series of embedded computers: the compact Boxer 6451 ADP, Boxer 6646 ADP, and the high-performance Boxer 6645 ADS. This article was prepared by Miroslav Piskor, product specialist at SOS Electronic. Let's have a look at 3 compact solutions of Aaeon Industrial PC for high performance. The 3 latest Boxer series of industrial PCs by Aaeon with Intel Alder Lake processors offer the perfect compact solution for high performance in any project. The first one is Boxer 6451 ADP. The Boxer 6451 ADP is a compact but powerful fanless embedded computer. Its compact dimensions are ideal for applications such as kiosks and charging stations. USB 3.2 Gen 2 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet enable high-speed communication with sensors and cameras, which together with the high computing power of the processor enables the autonomous mobile robot AMR to navigate in the surrounding environment. In addition, the performance of AI applications is enhanced by Intel Deep Learning Boost technology, which extends the Intel AVX 512 with a new vector neutral network instruction, VNNI. The M22230E key slot for the Wi-Fi module and the M23052B key slot for the 5G module expand the application area of the computer to other applications such as AI IoT gateway, robotic manufacturing arm, and more. Processor, RAM, and storage. Alder Lake U processors with MAX2 Golden Co cores optimized for performance, PC, 8 Gracemont cores optimized for effectivity, consumption, EC, and 12 threads, basic consumption 15 watts, consumption in turbo mode 55 watts. SODIMM slot for the DDR4 memory module up to 32 GB. M22280 M-Key PCIe 4.0x4 slot and 2.5-inch SATA SSD. Expansion slots: M22230 E-Key slot for Wi-Fi module, M23052B key plus SIM for 5G module. Interfaces: 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, Ethernet, 4x RS-232, 422, 485, 2x HDMI. Compact dimensions 190 x 63.5 x 111 mm and peak consumption of 55 watts in turbo mode require an efficient cooling system. Therefore, the heat from the processor is distributed to the massive heatsink by flat heat pipes. This solution enables the use of the computer at an ambient temperature of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. The second one is Boxer 6646 ADP. Boxer 6646 ADP is designed to allow easy access to 2 SODIMM memory slots, M22280, M22230 E-Key, and M23052 slot through service windows on the bottom side. The chassis also includes a removable 2.5-inch SATA bay for additional drive. Boxer 6646 is versatile enough to be used in various applications, such as industrial AMR, AI IoT gateway, industrial automation, and more. Processor, RAM, and storage. Alder Lake P processors with Max4 PC, 8 EC cores, and 16 threads, basic consumption 28 watts, consumption in turbo mode 64 watts. 2 SODIMM DDR5, which makes it possible to fully utilize the potential of the dual-channel memory controller integrated in the processor. Max RAM capacity is 64 GB. M2 2280 M-key PCIe 4.0x4 slot and 2.5-inch SATA drives. Expansion slots: M2 2230 E-key slot for Wi-Fi module, M230 52B key plus SIM for 5G module. Interfaces: 2x2.5 gigabit Ethernet, and Ethernet. 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 3x USB 2.0, 4x RS-232, 422, 485, 2x DP, 2x HDMI, 4 independent displays, line-out audio, 8 DIO. Boxer 6645 ADP is housed in a compact cabinet with dimensions of 220 x 62 x 154 mm. It enables power supply from a DC voltage source in the range of 10 to 35 volts and works in the operating temperature range of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. The Boxer 6646 ADP is equipped with reverse polarity protection, overvoltage, undervoltage, and overcurrent protection, as well as surge protection and short circuit protection. The third one is Boxer 6645 ADS. Industrial PC Boxer 6645 ADS is designed for applications that require high computing power, such as machine vision and industrial automation. Processor, RAM, and storage: LGA 1700 socket for Alder Lake S processors with base power up to 65 watts, 8 PC, 8 EC, and 24 threads. 2 SO-DIMM DDR5 slots connected to a dual-channel memory controller integrated in the processor. Max RAM capacity is 64 GB. Version A1, 2 2.5-inch SATA drives. Version A2 adds RAID 0-1 for SATA drives and M2 2280 M-key PCIe 4.0x4 slot. Expansion slots: M2 2230 E-key slot for Wi-Fi module, M2 3052B key slot plus SIM for 5G module. Interfaces: 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, 3x gigabit Ethernet. Version A1, 4x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 4x USB 2.0. Version A2, 8x USB 3.2 Gen 2. 6x RS-232, 422, 485, 2x DP, 2x HDMI, 4 independent displays, mic in, line out, 8 DIO. Boxer 6645 ADS is placed in a box with dimensions of 264 x 81 x 186 mm. It enables power supply from a DC voltage source in the range of 12 to 24 volts and is equipped with protection against polarity reversal, overvoltage, undervoltage, and overcurrent protection, as well as protection against shock overvoltage and short circuit. Its advanced thermal design enables work in environments with a temperature range of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius, with processors with a basic consumption of up to 35 watts. We have included all three mentioned series of Aaeon industrial PCs with the Intel Alder Lake processor in our offer, and we will be happy to provide them for you upon order. More technical information on individual embedded computers can be found on our website. Are you interested in more information about Aaeon products or technical advice when choosing a product? Or do you have another question or request? Please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.